Hello, children. Good morning. Actually, I want to tell you something. That is, the last 2 days, I am going to school. All the teachers, for that matter, they are going to school. But after reaching school, we are feeling very lonely because only 9, 10, 11, and 12 class students they are available in the school. The other students are not available. So our eyes keep on searching the other students. So, but we don't get them. So, though we are going to school, but our enjoyment of going to school is not full. It is less than half. When you all will come to school, then only our enjoyment of going to school will be total, full. So actually we miss everybody. Though I have not seen anybody of you by face. I don't know anybody of you by face. But even then, when you go to school, slowly we will come to know each other and will have acquaintance with each other. We'll know each other and will develop a relation which is between a teacher and a student. So that is very much required, but that is possible only when the school for you also opens and you all come to the school. As of now, we are there in the school, but we don't have the full students, so our enjoyment is not total. This is what I wanted to tell you. So, anyway, one more thing I'll tell you that our social studies syllabus is complete for the unit test 2. The whatever I'm teaching you now, this is the syllabus for uh, that is annual examination. Though I will revise the chapters which have already been completed and which are in the syllabus for unit test 2, in between 1 or 2 days you may not get any social studies class because our syllabus is already complete and we are in a very good position. You may utilize that time for some other subject and we also may utilize that time for some other subject, like English literature. English literature, our syllabus is not complete. We are studying, reading about the Secret Garden. After Secret Garden, we have to read one chapter of The Little Woman, and the time is not the very long that your unit test 2 will start, because I think 13th of December your unit test 2 will start. So we have to complete the syllabus within this time. So we'll try to utilize this time by reading by reading English literature than by reading social studies, because we have to complete the syllabus for English literature also. Anyway, let us see how much we have studied, how much you have read, and how much we have to read now. Let us see. Let's read from here. The coastal areas experience mild weather. Though we have read it here, we read it already, but even then we'll repeat it. It is neither hot nor cold, but it is very cold in the northern mountains. Northern mountains means the Himalayas. It is very cold in the Himalayas during the winter season. Strong winds from the west, called western disturbances, cause light rainfall in the plains and snowfall in the northern mountains. This is followed by very cold weather and fog. Fog means, as you know, it is haze. It is haze. When you all might have experienced fog, we hardly can see anything beyond a few feet. We feel as if the entire area has been covered by smoke, but that's not smoke, that's actually fog, mainly consisting of water vapors and sometimes mist also, water vapors, dust particles and smoke, but mainly consisting of water vapors. You will feel as if the area has been covered by smoke. Now, a major part of India remains dry during this season. During the winter season, major part of India remains dry. However, the coast of Tamil Nadu is an exception. it gets heavy rainfall during this time. During the winter season, the coast of Tamil Nadu gets heavy rainfall. Other parts of India remain mainly dry. Let us see what is the fact given. The Himalayas and the Thar Desert influence the climate of India. The Himalayas block the cold winds from Central Asia during the winter months and keep our country warm. If the Himalayas had not blocked the cold air from cold winds from the Central Asia, our country would have been colder. But the blockage of cold wind by the Himalayas from the by the Himalayas keep our country warm. On the other hand, the high temperature of the Thar Desert attracts the monsoon winds and causes rainfall during rainy season. So the Himalayas and the Thar Desert, they influence the weather of India. We influence the climate of India, not weather. It influences the climate of India. This is a fact. Let us read about rainy season. The rainy season is also called the monsoon season. Monsoon season. Very important. Rainy season is known as the monsoon season. This season begins in June. In some parts, it begins in July. It continues till the middle of November. So, when does the monsoon season start? It starts in the month of June. And in some part of our country, it starts in the month of July and it continues till the middle of November. That means in our area or in our country, the monsoon is already over. The rainy season is already over. But with the exception of Tamil Nadu, because we get rain by the southwest monsoon winds, whereas Tamil Nadu gets maximum rain by the northeast monsoon wind. So, except Tamil Nadu, the rainy season is over for all other parts of the country. During the rainy season, winds blow from the Arabian Sea and the Bay of Bengal towards the land. They are called monsoon winds. What are monsoon winds? During the rainy season, winds blow from Arabian Sea and the Bay of Bengal towards the land. They are called monsoon winds. They carry a lot of moisture. Moisture means water vapor. They cause rainfall in most parts of India. In most parts of India, we get rain by the monsoon winds. Rainfall distribution is highly uneven in India. Uneven means it is not equal. The distribution of rainfall is not equal. Somewhere it rains very heavily and somewhere it doesn't rain at all. Parts of Meghalaya receive about 800 centimeter of annual rainfall. Annual means yearly. Yearly. The rainfall is measured in terms of millimeter and centimeter. Okay. While some areas in Rajasthan receive less than 10 centimeter of rain in a year. Mohsin Ram, near Cherrapunji. The name of the place is Mohsin Ram, near Cherrapunji, in Meghalaya, is the wettest place on the earth. That means it receives maximum rainfall. It receives more than 1100 centimeter of rainfall in a year. The coast of Tamil Nadu remains dry from June to September. Here it rains between November and January. As I told you just a few seconds ago, that Tamil Nadu does not receive rain by the southwest monsoon which we receive. So the coastal area of Tamil Nadu that remains dry during June to September. Here it rains between November and January. Now it is rainy season in Tamil Nadu coastal area. Before going on to natural vegetation, we'll see if we can solve here. Climate of India. Tropical monsoon. Tropical monsoon. Name the climate of India. The climate of India is tropical monsoon climate. The southern part of India lies in the frigid zone or torrid zone. It lies in the torrid zone. There are, here again it is a jumbled word. You have to arrange it into the meaningful word. It is three. THREE. There are three main seasons in India. The local name of nor'westers in West Bengal is Kal Baisakhi. Kal Baisakhi. Kal Kal Baisakhi. Kal Baisakhi. October is the coldest month. True or false? It is false. October is not the coldest month. So, natural vegetation we'll read in the next class. Today we'll stop here. Today we'll stop here, and in the next class we'll be reading the natural vegetation, and we'll see what are the plants what are the natural vegetation which grow around our country, and what type of plants they are, why they grow there. That we'll see in the next class. So today we'll stop here, and again I'll pray to the Almighty that the school opens for you also, and I can see you in the school. I'll be so happy to do it. Thank you.